Hi, my name is Diana. I work at Post Falls Family Dental and Sleep Better Northwest. I just wanted to give you a little bit about my experience with sleep. For the past 25 years, I've been on and off of sleeping medication, thinking that it was just part of my life and that I could not get a good sleep. I also have been on the antidepressant trying to help with my sleep as well as my mood and grogginess, as well as omeprazole for my heartburn. Not realizing that any of this or all of this has to do with the fact that I have sleep apnea. When I came to work here, Dr. Elliott asked me to take a sleep test so that we could have some numbers of how I'm doing and my situation. Unbeknownst to me, I have severe sleep apnea. Dr. Elliott got me a Panthera and it is incredible. It has been 2 weeks. I immediately felt better. I'm not snoring at night, per my spouse. I feel better. I've not had an energy drink for 6 days. I've not had headaches, and I would just strongly encourage any and all of you that are having any kind of symptoms to contact Dr. Elliott at Sleep Better Northwest and get a consult to see if you could benefit from an appliance as well. I don't want this to sound like a commercial, but I am so excited. This mouth appliance really works. I've had great nights of sleep. I've not had to use an energy drink in 6 days. I have no grogginess or headaches, and I feel fantastic.